Good morning, or Ohayou gozaimasu. This morning we are having a small Japanese ceremony in honor of the 3 cherry blossom or sakura trees that the Japanese embassy have gifted to the school as part of their national program for gifting trees around parks and areas in the UK. We have our judoka behind us who are going to be doing some judo work in front of the trees, and I'm also going to be pouring a little bit of sake over the roots of the trees as well to wish them health and prosperity in the future. This is all part, of course, of not only our Earth Centre agenda, but also international links with, in this particular example, Japan. We have had a very busy Easter period as well, the students certainly. Just before we broke, I just need to mention congratulations to the drama year 11 students, GCSE students, who completed their component 2 practical performances just before we broke, and the art and photography year 11 and year 13 students who also completed their practical components. Yesterday I was treated to the year 11 hospitality students who were completing their final practical assessments, and that involved a lot of really lovely food tasting. So thank you to all of them. I really did enjoy what I had to eat. We had this week, at the very beginning of the week, a production from, or should I say a performance and a workshop from a group called Beat Goes On. And first that started with a staff inset. The staff were treated to an hour of well-being and mental health engagement as we learnt body percussion from an expert in that area who used to work with Stomp in the West End. And that same person from Beat Goes On then did workshops for the years 7 to 9 in their arts pathways this week. Good luck also to the theatre group who are going off to Exeter to perform their play 2.0, as part of the National Theatre competition that's currently running. And I hope, fingers crossed, it's an amazing play that I saw at the end of last term, that they get to go to London and perform in the West End there. In sport over the break, it's been again very, very busy. In rugby, we celebrated the end of season awards at Bideford Rugby Club. Thank you for hosting us there, where we saw Ben, Jake and James getting their Most Improved Player awards. Jacob, Seb and Logan got their Coaches Player of the Year awards, and William, George and Senan got their Players Player of the Year awards. Well done to Hamish and Senan, who both represented the Chiefs Academy over the break, and also to Sam, who has made it through to the Devon County team. Congratulations also to Donald, to Harrison, to Henry, to Alfie and to Matt, who are all part of the Bideford Rugby Club Under-12s Revel Cup winning team over the Easter break. In gymnastics, we welcome back Jessie from Portugal, who has been representing Scotland in the youth international tournament there, and she has come away as the youth champion of that tournament and got a gold medal in the beam and floor. Well done to Jessie. The netballers were in action at the Paignton tournament over Easter. Congratulations to Lily, who was the star of the tournament there. And in swimming, Elise has been in Spain, where she's been at an international training camp and swam 45,000 meters to improve her 16th place now in GB. In tennis, Boris and Ollie, good luck to you guys who have made it through to the Devon tennis squad. And don't forget that we have tennis coaching now as part of our sporting offer here at the school. Please see Mr. Ward for more details about that. And in athletics, we kicked off the season this week on Monday night, where we had over 50 students taking part in the first training camp on Monday at 5 o'clock. The surfers are obviously going to be in a lot of action this term now that the summer is here, the warmer weather is now here, and the new Passport 2.0 scheme has now been launched, and that has a range of new modules for the students to engage in and learn more around creativity, water safety, and collect various awards and badges. We now have 8 different components to the surfing program, and they will soon be wearing their badges with pride. Congratulations to M. Dupuy in particular, who is now a trained assessor for Surfing England, and he's now able to deliver courses to allow our students to become NGB Level 1 surf coaches as well, and that will become part of the growing programme for the surfers. And then finally, good luck to all the Year 10 and Year 12 students who start their mock exams on Monday for the next 2 weeks. I hope the work over the Easter is going to pay dividends for them. And then, of course, we look forward to the Year 11s and 13s starting their public examinations in earnest later in the term. On that note, I will say sayonara, and I will go and join the festival behind me. Thank you. Bye-bye.